All right, guys, let's begin this session. Deepak, can I see your pretty face, please? Okay. So today we are randomly going to look at some questions from 2021 randomly, and the old students of our Destroy Plus like Medha, Deepak, Anand, even Muniratna, you guys are old students, and the new ones like Kiran, Atishay, Gilbert, Janani, and others will be joining in. So it will be a very interesting exercise where all students will be able to better understand, internalize, and solve it because they have been part of this process earlier. And let's see how it goes. This warm up exercise, this first session of our Destroy Prelims Club. Let me share my screen with you guys. Okay, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right, guys. Now, very quickly, let's see some questions from the 2020. Just a moment. Okay. Let's jump to question 14 from this paper. Okay, all of you guys, this question number 14 with reference to water credit, consider following statements. Who all had a mark? Did anyone mark it wrong in the examination 2021 prelims? किसने wrong किया था? Medha, you're smiling like always.
Here I used practices.
क्या मुझे रत्ना?
Sir, here one keyword is practice.
There is some network issue with your device. मुझे रत्ना, you're not audible. Medha, Anand, Kiran.
Yes, sir. It's everything fine here. I attempted this question using Tigram and it worked for me.
How did you do that?
Sir, actually in option 2, when it was said the World Health Organization and the World Bank, that clicked that health organization should be not taking part in word like water credit. So that thing clicked in my mind and I just eliminated that.
Okay, fine. So that is one way of
Sir,
looking at
here,
it.
sir, here
Yeah,
I used option A. Option A, that is one keyword is mentioned, that is practices. In question itself, AutoCoda practices some constitutes a tool available. And in
No,
option
question
A,
14.
it is also.
Muniratna, we are looking at question
Yes.
14.
Okay.
Question 14. Yeah, Deepak.
I was sure about option 1 because something was mentioned about water and sanitation. So I thought 1 is might be right. So I had doubt in 2 and 3. But when I read 2, that gave me some clue that it can be wrong. So I was like in the beginning of the session, you used to tell me, sir, that in the first way and the first reading, what clicks in your mind, that might be more correct. So,
Right.
yeah.
Okay, you went with your instinct, number 1, Anand. Number 2, you said you went with feasibility test. That's okay. Did anyone apply
Yes,
compatibility test in the exam? Can we read 1 and 3 together? What does it give us?
it's compatible even, sir. both
No, sir.
mentions about water and poor sanitation and those things with subsidies. Yes.
So
So
can
it's
we say
also
there
compatible.
is nothing contradictory between statement 1 and 3? They
Yes, sir.
can
Sure.
sync with each other, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Did anyone do this in the exam? Niratna, Sagna, you are awfully silent.
No, sir. I made this one D option.
Marked it wrong.
Uh,
How are you, Sagna?
no, sir. Yes, sir. I'm looking into the question, sir, now.
Can you switch on the camera? I need to see your face.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Option 1 and 3, can we apply compatibility test here? Who's this? Gilbert is new. Ajan is new. दीपक इतने शांत क्यों हो भाई?
कुछ नहीं सर मैंने वो इससे किया था यूजुअली जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के नाम देते हैं तो यूजुअली वो प्ले करते हैं ना उसके, तो मैंने वो डायरेक्टली ब्लाइंडली वो किया था वो.
You are talking about
वो-
word play here. Word swap की बात कर रहे हो दीपक. Statement 2 में.
Yes sir. Yes, sir.
So after doing compatibility test, after probing compatibility test in statement 1 and statement 3, we are left with C and D. Two options बचते हैं. Either it has to be 1 and 3 or it has to be 1, 2 and 3. Makes sense so far? Atishay, Janani,
Yes.
does this seem something new to you guys? Kiran?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir, I have watched some of your videos earlier in YouTube, so it looks a bit familiar to me.
Okay, it looks familiar.
Yeah,
That's
for
good.
me, it's a new thing, sir.
For Kiran, it's a new thing. So that's interesting. Kiran, now let's see how people zero in between C and D. Come on, Medha, Deepak and others. How will we choose between C and D? 1 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3. कैसे choose करेंगे?
The
Sir,
words,
usually
that is
ministry-
wordle.
Ministries and organizations, usually they are wrong. UPSC plays with them. That they give a similar ministries or similar organization in the options. So we can take a risk for that usually organization names are wrong if it is given in an option.
That's a risk you are taking. What else?
Yes, sir. That is only, sir. I applied this only, sir. Organization name one.
Mhm. Okay.
Sir,
Mm.
although I didn't attempt this question in the exam, but between C and D, the WHO may not go with World Bank can be used, so we can eliminate two like that. It's little absurd,
Again-
it is talking about credit.
Uh-huh.
So it helps poor people to meet their water needs without depending on subsidies. Looks fine.
Very good.
It's
Very good, Medha.
compatible.
I was
Word
looking
play
for
can be used.
I was looking for this answer. Credit. ठीक है. Water credit. And WHO does not fit very well here. Given the context. This is the context, right? And the statement
Also sir,
seems
water credit
incompatible.
almost sir एक NGO टाइप नाम है
Okay.
जो NGOs लोग देते हैं मतलब, और वो सिंक नहीं हो. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऐसे नाम नहीं रखेगा यूजुअली.
That's one thought process, Deepak. Now that may be correct, that may not be correct, but what Medha said is regarding wordplay, water credit, and she's arguing that the organization, World Health Organization (WHO) doesn't fit the context. Now this is a stronger argument. ठीक है, that the organization is not compatible with the keyword provided in the question. That's what she is arguing. Fine. And another statement 2 also says that it's a global initiative. Fine. Launched for X, Y, Z. Now, global ka matlab kya hota hai? It's equally applicable to other countries, all the nations, right? Now, Paris climate deal was a global thing, isn't it? All countries were involved equally, at least in principle.
Yes, sir.
Now, tell me, does it have to be a global initiative if it is a microfinance tool for people working in sanitation sector? Do the developed world, the European countries or the North American continent, say for example, do they need such kind of an intervention?
No.
Not really. No,
Not
sir.
really, right?
No. No.
So does this word global initiative ring a bell? Can we incorporate this phrase under the category of overemphasis? Okay. The broad umbrella being extreme exaggeration, and under it the subcategorization of overemphasis. Now does it ring a bell? Medha, Anand, Kiran,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और कौन है यहाँ पर?
Yes, sir.
अतिशय,
Yes, sir.
Tagna.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
We eliminate 2 and we are left with option C, because the interesting thing here, guys, tell me, if we eliminate 2, what option remains?
Only C.
1 and 3.
Only C.
1 and 3
C.
remains, right?
1 and
Are eliminated. Okay, so the new guys, Ajan, Gilbert, Janani, Atishay, Kiran, especially Kiran, as you said that this seems something new to you. Does it seem something radical? Exam में तुमने right mark किया था या wrong mark किया था?
No, like my first attempt will be on in 2022 only, sir.
Sorry? Acha, it will be your first attempt. Fine.
Yeah.
But still, after looking at how we solved this question paper, this question, what's your first take?
My first take was, it was really hard.
Right time, right place.
Be frank, Kiran. There is no punishment here.
No, like after you have explained, yeah, it seems very logical. Like this question could be solved using logic. I don't know.
So now let's increase our speed and quickly solve a few more questions. Now we'll be jumping at question 17. This question, why is there don't ignore this heading, guys. There is a heading name of an institute here. I'm just using their paper. Just ignore it. Why is there a concern about copper smelting plants? And also ignore the answers that are given below. What logical technique, or what they can call it anything, what would we use here? How would we derive the correct answer? Come on, guys, let's be quick. Deepak, Medha.
Sir, if it was releasing lethal quantities of carbon dioxide, then there would not be any copper smelting plant as such, because carbon dioxide in lethal quantities would be, it would be lethal, right? So I think that way we can eliminate statement 1.
Very good.
Yes, copper slag can cause the leaching of some heavy metals into environment. They may release sulfur dioxide. Can and may, these are possibilities, and
So,
these can be feasible.
Medha, what is saying that even if we are not sure of the answer, we can certainly say, as per your take, that the phrase that it releases lethal quantities of XYZ is a big hint given by UPSC to us. We just need to spot the hint. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if we eliminate statement 1, what are we left with? Anand, Kiran, Deepak?
2 and 3. Yes, sir. I marked it right.
2 and 3.
We are left only
It
with
is
the
right.
we are left only with the right answer. 2 and 3, option B. अतिशय कुछ समझ में आ रहा है?
Sir, I was your part
This
of
question
your
was
class. But in exam pressure, I missed the word lethal and I had marked D option. So I'm now realizing my mistake that I should have read the whole statement. Like I should have not have rushed directly to the answer.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, we put this statement or the logic that we have used under the category of again extreme
application
exaggeration.
method.
Extreme exaggeration.
Sorry,
Fine.
yes.
And then we go for feasibility test, as beautifully done by Medha, that if really lethal quantities were released, we would have at least known, we would have at least heard about it, we would have read about it
Yeah.
somewhere. Makes sense,
Yes,
guys?
Yes, sir.
All of you, Janani, you
Yes,
seem to be
sir.
silent.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sagna,
Yes, sir.
going to the next question. Question 19. Come on. Now this should be solved in much lesser time because it's really easy. What is blue carbon? What do we use here, guys?
Wordplay.
Wordplay.
Word play use करेंगे. How? एक के बाद एक बताएंगे. Starting with you, Sagna.
Sir, the word blue refers to the color of the ocean. So we can go with the color over there, sir, the blue.
Okay. Okay. So you are using wordplay and you are relating blue with water.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, correct, sir.
You are using the word ocean. That means you are referring to water, right, Sagna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other logic apart from what Sagna has said? Muniratna, Deepak.
नहीं सर बराबर है ये यही लॉजिक है.
ठीक है. He has used wordplay. Now let me give you some another example pertaining to this question itself. जब हम छोटे थे, when we were small young kids, and we used to draw really bad drawings, really bad drawings. We used to draw mountains, we used to draw water. तब कौन सा कलर यूज करते थे पानी ड्रॉ करने के लिए?
Blue.
मेधा, दीपक,
Blue.
अतिशय?
Blue. Sir.
Blue.
Okay, so if we remember those bad drawings that we used to make in our childhoods, we knew at that point of time कि पानी अगर draw करना है तो blue color ही use करना है, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but extrapolation technique that we are using. We are applying our own context to the context of the question. We are using extrapolation apart from the obvious wordplay that Sagna and others mentioned. Are we absolutely clear here, especially the new guys? Kiran,
Yes, sir.
Atishay?
Understood. Yeah.
Atishay, Janani, Gilbert,
Yes, sir.
Ajan?
Sir.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, I marked this question right, but I have another question related to this. Like, why UPSC asked this question? Even not mentioning anything, I was not even read in some kind of current affairs or not even in the general science. So this question, I marked it right, but I don't know why UPSC, asking those questions, making people
That's an
struggle or
insider
think very
information,
logically.
Anand. I'll tell to. I can't tell this thing on record. After the meeting is over, I'll have a separate talk with you. Fine. Now let's
Sure.
quickly move to another question. Question 31. Now it's a lengthy question. Let me cut down the time for you guys. Anand, can you quickly read the question for me? 31.
Yes, sir. With reference to the Chaunsat Yogini temple, that means 64 Yogini temple situated near the Moriana. Consider the following statement. 1.
Okay.
It is circular temple.
Okay. Now I'll stop
built
you here.
during the-
Anand,
Yes,
Anand, I'll stop you here. Medha,
yes, sir.
without smiling, can you read statement 1 and 4 together?
It is a circular temple built during the reign of Kachapagata dynasty. And fourth is its design has given rise to a popular belief. It was the inspiration behind Indian Parliament building.
Okay, guys. So 1 and 4. Can we use compatibility test here again? If statement 1 says that it is a circular temple. Now we don't know whether it is circular, whether it's square, triangular, anything. But if statement 4 says its design has given rise to the popular belief that it was the inspiration behind the Indian Parliament building. And Indian Parliament का shape हम सबको पता है. Hopefully, पता है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we say
sir.
statement 1 and statement 4 are in sync or are compatible? Can we say so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if that is the case, and if we look for the options which have 1 and 4 together, there is only one option, 1 and 4. So automatically other options get eliminated. Say, for example, statement 2 says that it is the only circular temple in India. Now we don't know whether it is right or whether it is wrong, but it's getting eliminated. It was
Yes,
meant to promote the Vaishnava cult in the region. Again, it may be true, it may be wrong, we don't know. But it's again getting cancelled out because Medha helped us here by showing us that statement 1 and statement 4 are in sync. So,
And sir, only elimination also works here. I just eliminated 2 from all. That only just because they mentioned the only circular temple built in India. So eliminating 2 from all the option, it only C remains.
Anand, is it the case that if a statement has the word only, then it is necessarily wrong? Is that the case?
No, no, sir. But
But
it
that
was saying, sir, only circular temple built in India. We know India is a temple country.
So that raises a red flag, however, right, Anand?
Yes, yes.
That helps us in better deciding our final answer. Make sense, Kiran?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Atishay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving quickly to the next question, guys. कितने लोगों ने ये आंसर सही किया था? Question 35. Atishay, can you read the question for me?
According to the Portuguese writer Nunes, the women in Vijayanagar Empire were expert in which of the following areas? Wrestling, astrology, accounting, and soothsaying.
Okay. Did anyone mark it wrong in the exam?
Yes, sir. मैंने wrong किया ये.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I got it right, sir.
I got it wrong.
I got it wrong.
Most of you got it wrong, and Sagna got it right. Palash has joined us in the meeting. Okay, Sagna, how did you get it right?
Sir, I had read in the Spectrum book with respect to Portuguese, they introduced a lot of things, like they were well versed in a lot of things, sir. So I didn't have any second thought of not choosing all of the above. So I just went with all of the above, sir. Wrestling, or I didn't I didn't spend time on thinking whether wrestling were they very good in that or were they experts in that. So I directly went with all of the above.
Okay, so you used some pre-existing knowledge that you had, Sagna, right?
Yes, sir. True.
But that was not the case with everyone. Now, if I ask you guys, when we are solving this question again collectively, Munyaratna, Deepak, Anand, Medha, what technique could have we used here?
Sir, a bit I was
Sir,
confused in
from-
option 1,
yeah, Anand.
wrestling. Sir, in the first option, wrestling, I was confused. And I was thinking that yes, astrology and soothing accounting was right. So there was no option mentioning 2, 3, 4 together. That's why I went with D.
Okay. Did anyone think about using the logic of unheard here,
Sir,
Medha?
sir, can we use that logic where we say that something progressive about women would be right? So women doing wrestling, astrology in medieval times can be, right? Can
Exactly.
we use that logic?
Exactly. Now that's a progressive statement. Basically, you are mentioning a green flag, Medha.
Yes, sir.
That even today, women doing wrestling is a rare thing, right?
Yes. Yes. It
Doing
is,
wrestling,
kind of rare.
or be it wrestling or be it other things, the things mentioned here, astrology, accounting, soothsaying. Even today, the ratio is far, far less compared to the general ratio of men to women doing these activities. And many people did not know the meaning of soothsaying in the first place.
Soothsaying unheard, sir. Soothsaying unheard.
Can we
Yes,
use
sir.
unheard here? Medha, Anand, Deepak?
Yes, sir.
Soothsaying to unheard.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Unheard hai agar statement for soothsaying, then option A gets eliminated, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And
There is no fourth
other
choice.
options, wrestling, astrology, accounting. Can we use feasibility test here, guys? Do we have a strong reason to eliminate any of these?
No, sir. That's what I said, no, sir. If
No,
2,
sir,
3,
no
4
strong reason.
seems very much right. So the option mentioned in D only have all together. So that's become the answer.
Okay. Kiran, coming back to you, because you are completely new to these techniques and this radical way of solving difficult questions. We have used the technique of unheard, which you will be learning in the workshop. Unheard means something that you haven't heard despite studying and preparing so rigorously for the exam. And so we have only 10 minutes left in this session. And apart from that, we used feasibility test. We did not have any strong reason to eliminate any of the statements given. So we assumed, we are not sure of the answers. So we assumed all to be correct. Does it make sense to you, Kiran?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Makes sense. And the
Yes.
smile on your face says that, okay, this question you could have saved time on this question in the exam. I hope I'm
I
right
don't
on
know.
that.
Like, yeah, I haven't attempted that. Right.
Fine.
Lucky
Now
boy.
let's quickly move to the next question. Question 84. Now, guys, now let me ask you a direct question. Deepak, Medha, Anand, Muniratna, and all the older
Yes, sir.
students, is there a trap here? 84?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
yes,
Try,
Yes, sir.
try
I
that.
think it's all a trap.
Yeah, it's a major trap.
Forest
Okay,
panchayat.
I'll ask you to go one by one. Sagna, how is it a trap?
Sir, when they say schedule the recognition of the forest rights, that's a clear indication that forest environment, they're in sync. So people mark the A option in the time, sir.
Okay.
Some thought
What did
about
you-
decentralization.
What did you mark, Sagna?
So I went with the D only.
Very good. So we had learned this technique as part of our club, right? This was prelims.
Yes.
Okay. So option A, can we categorize it under the head of direct, deliberate, and explicit statement or option? Sagna?
Yes.
Deepak?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
was trapped on the same. मैंने भी यही मार्क कर दिया है वही सोच के कि शेड्यूल ट्राइब से और
Yes, sir.
forest
Same
rights
thing
तो
I also marked in.
I hope the trap creating ways of UPSC are quite clear to you guys. Atishay, Kiran, Janani, UPSC have deliberately placed that option, that Ministry of Environment, at first position, at option A. That you
Yes,
read
sir.
that lengthy question and directly you mark the answer after reading option A. That's how it traps you. Is there clarity, Atisha?
Yes,
Janani?
sir.
And sir, just 2 day before the examination, you asked this question twice. Same question, and it was like relating with the foreign travels and traditional. So this was even it was in mind.
Okay. Thanks for saying that. It adds to my publicity, Anand.
Yes, sir. You gave
Okay,
the important topics. Yes.
let's move to the next question, guys. Question 89. Now, this is the last question, guys. We have less time left in this session as well. And quickly, question 89. Kiran, can you read this question for me?
Yes, sir. With reference to India, consider the following statements. There is only one citizenship and one domicile. Second statement is, a citizen by birth only can become the head of state. Third statement is, a foreigner once granted the citizenship cannot be deprived of it under any circumstances. Which of the statements given above is or are correct?
All right. Munyaratna, if I ask you, can we directly eliminate statement 3 and how? Munyaratna, if you can hear me. If not, Munyaratna.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Munyaratna. Deepak,
Yes, sir.
statement 3, can we eliminate it directly and how?
Sir, yes, you can eliminate directly, sir, because it is written that a foreigner once granted citizenship cannot be deprived of it under any circumstances, sir. Any is like, sir, very vague. You can deprive them if they are helping of some of the enemy nations, etc. Or if the citizenship is acquired by fraud, etc. So वो कर सकते हैं. That
Okay.
is
So
directly.
can you say that this is an easy statement given to us by UPSC that we can easily eliminate? Like we have
Yes, sir.
we have had lots of discussions on this, that UPSC gives both traps and hints. Can this fall under the
Yes,
category
sir.
of hint? Deepak, Atishay?
Yes, sir. It is a
Yes,
clear
sir.
hint, sir.
Okay. So if we eliminate statement 3, guys, we are left with only 2 options, option A and option B. That is either only 1 is correct or either only 2 is correct. How do we choose? Coming to you, Medha. कैसे choose करेंगे 1 or 2 में?
Sir, after reading Lakshmikant, we have not read that the condition for appointment of eligibility for head of state it is given that he or she should be citizen of India. There is no mention of whether by birth or by naturalization or anything like that. So I
Fine,
did not choose.
Fine, Medha. You are using your
So I will go
pre-existing.
with A.
You are using your
And A
pre-existing
is-
knowledge here. Okay. Apart from this, Palash or
Yes, sir.
Deepak, would you like to add anything? 1 or 2 में से कैसे choose करोगे?
Sir, first statement में there is only one citizenship, वो तो right है, and one domicile. So actually domicile एक ही होता है. If citizenship
Sir.
एक है तो domicile भी एक ही रहेगा.
नहीं सर, सिटीजनशिप तो एक होता है, बट डोमिसाइल मोर देन वन स्टेट हो भी सकता है.
Okay, so you are
नहीं,
confused.
एक टाइम पे domicile एक ही हो सकता है. If you live in Maharashtra, तो domicile सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र का होगा.
Okay, okay.
You cannot
Okay,
have
fine.
2 domiciles at the same time.
Fine, guys. So basically, Deepak and Palash, can we use
Yes, sir.
that understanding of ours if first half of the statement is correct, then other half is more likely to be correct as well. UPSC doesn't play these games. Now that happens mostly in PCS exams. A substantial portion is given right and some information is tweaked and the statement is made wrong. If it says that citizenship, there is only one citizenship, which is definitely correct, that we have read. So it's highly likely that the other part, only one domicile is there, is more likely to be correct. Can we follow this understanding? Deepak, Medha, Anand?
Yes, sir.
Muniratna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Even
also
I
using-
was unsure about a statement too, but that other half you said, sir, no, one half. That made me say that if this one is correct, it will be correct.
Yeah, so that we had already discussed many times in our club as well. And that's how we take
Also,
that risk.
sir-
Again, we are taking risk. We are not sure of the answer because we are still confused on the word domicile, but we are still marking statement 1 as our correct answer. And that's how we get it right. Acha guys, we have only 1 minute left here. Is there anyone who had marked many or some of these questions wrong in the exam, but now you have good clarity? Anyone here?
Can you
तो
repeat
वन
your
और टू
question,
रॉन्ग
sir?
किया था.
पहले गलत किया लेकिन अब क्लैरिटी है. यस दीपक.
सर एक या दो गलत हुआ है, बाकी सब तो सर मेरे लिए तो इजी हैंगिंग फ्रूट थे.
Hanging fruits थे. That was
Yes,
not the
sir.
case for everyone. Deepak. Atishay, what about you?
Sir, the copper smelting plants question was I did wrong. Otherwise, all I did right in these
Good.
questions.
Very good. Okay, Anand, what about you?
Sir, my voice is breaking. I have not heard your question properly.
Now you have good clarity over all the questions that you solved from this 2021 paper, Anand.
Yes, sir. Yes, yeah.
Okay, guys, this video is about to end. So we'll be starting our club from 10th. So let's connect in the club from 10th, guys. ठीक है?